What is Canva? How does it work and how it can be used by the students, teachers, business professionals, and even for everyone who wants to make money online. So if you're interested in knowing this, then you should keep this video. Canva is an online graphic designing software with the help of which you can make the stunning graphics within minutes, and that too with 0x. You don't need to be a graphic designer. You don't need to know anything much about the color schemes and the graphics and fonts, so you can create them very easily because they are a huge inventory of the templates within this website. You can just search for any template that you want to create, select any of the template from the Canva library and start to edit that. You can change the font, you can change the color, and you can change practically anything and everything of these templates to make them unique as per your own requirement. You can download them in any format, PDF, image, even videos, the presentation format, and then you can use them offline, and even if you can upload them onto the internet, onto the other websites, onto your social media account. So how does it work? As I've said that Canva has a website. They also have an app for the Android, iOS, and even for the Windows. But if you want to use the full potential of Canva, I would highly recommend that you use it within a website as you are seeing right now. Towards the left side, you can see that there are templates, and then there are major categories: business, social media, video marketing, and the education, etc. And on the top, you can also see that within the Canva, you can create logos, flyers, banners, posters, printables, invitation cards, business cards, videos, presentations, whiteboards. You can edit the PDFs, you can create the social media posts, you can make the logos, you can create calendars, you can create mugs and t-shirts also. So practically anything that you can think of creating, that is available within the Canva. So this is the beauty of this software. So in order to create something, you need to go on the top, create design, and from here you need to select the type of the graphic that you want to create. For example, if I want to create a YouTube thumbnail, I need to click this. So it will up in the 16:9 format, and now I can start to create. Towards the left side, I have the first tab is for the designs. These are the already available design. I can just click any one of them. It will be imported in here, and I can change this text and I can make them as per my own requirement. Even I can change the photos from here. So if you want to search for the photos, you can click on this photo tab, and then from here you can select any of the photo and you insert that photo here. So in order to insert a text, there are text options available. They have the already created templates for the text also, or you can create right from the scratch just by clicking this, and you can add them anywhere. So I'm not going into the detail of how you would create, because these require separate tutorials. Then you can your files, like you can upload your own video, you can upload your own photos, and then you can use them in your design, in your video or in your presentation. So images, audios, and the videos you can upload. You can organize your project in separate folders. As I've said that there is a huge level of photos. The good part about the Canva is these elements. You can search practically for anything here and you will find them, that there is a huge inventory of these items that are available onto the Canva. So look at these things that you can line art. You can practically insert these all things and you can use them for your coloring books or whatever the design that you want to create. They give you the practically everything with the help of which you can create your designs within minutes. So the limitation limitation would be your imagination. So anything that you can imagine, you would be able to create that within Canva. They also have the backgrounds that you can use within your project, like just with the help of a click of a button you can add a background within the image. So here you would see that there is a watermark. This is primarily shown here because I'm using the free version of Canva. So I'm just going to explain that what is the difference between free and pro version, but I wanted to clarify here there are free images also. The Canva has recently used a text to image with the help of the artificial intelligence. Whatever the prompt that you will write here, the Canva text to image generator is going to convert that text into an image that you can use within your projects. As you can see that the sample photos are shown here on the bottom. Then there is a inventory of apps that you can use within Canva. The important to mention are the websites from where you can download the images like Pixabay, Pexels. You can add the videos from YouTube also. So I just wanted to give you a view of what all you can create. So on the top, as you can see that here you can create the documents just like Google Docs or Microsoft Word. You can make the whiteboard videos, you can create presentations, social media graphics, you can create videos, you can create a website. So in terms of plans and pricing, the Canva offers the 3 different plans. The first one is the free version. It is absolutely free. You don't have to even enter your credit card. You just have to create an account, free account with the email. So this is one. Second one is pro version. It costs you $55 a year, which is less than $5 a month. In the pro version, you will get additional features like that you can immediately resize one image or a one template into different sizes. The advantage of which is that you can easily create one image for different social media sites. For example, if you've created a YouTube thumbnail which is 16:9, with the help of just one click you can make it vertical for Pinterest and Instagram, and you can make it 1:1 ratio for the Facebook. Another feature which is worth mentioning here in the Canva Pro is that you can remove the background from an image and even from a video with the help of just one click. You can have your own brand kit, which means that you can have your own brand colors. You can even select your own font. When you will have this brand kit, you with the help of one click you can apply this brand kit onto whole presentation or your whole project. So that is the advantage for the Canva Pro. Canva for team is $85 and it is for the 5 people. So as the numbers grows, your price is going to increase. Now you buy the Pro or should you use the free version? So my recommendation is that if you're a student or a teacher, you should use the free version because you would be able to do your job within the Canva free. But you are someone who wants to use the Canva for profession, for making money online, then I would highly recommend to use this Pro version, because so the Canva templates library, you can use all of them if you have the Pro version, because if you have a free version you will only get 1 or 2 out of 10 that are free, and rest all you will not be able to use it. So it is going to consume a lot of time. If you want the job quickly, I would highly recommend that you buy the Pro version if you want to use it for business. Now the last point that I want to cover here is that why should you use Canva, why not anything else? The simple answer is that it is a one-stop shop, or it is a solution to many problems. Now just imagine that if you want to start a YouTube channel, you need the photo editing, for which you need to learn Photoshop, and then you have to create videos for which you may have to learn the After Effects or Premiere Pro or any video editing software. So if you're a blogger, then you have to create a website, which means that you need to learn the WordPress. And if you want to create presentations, then you need to learn the Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides or Keynote. Learning the Canva you can make all these things within one interface. So instead of wasting time on learning all these softwares, and then you will have to become an expert to effectively use these softwares like Photoshop and Premiere Pro. Within Canva, even if you are a beginner, you can use them, and people would not be able to know that whether this project, this video or presentation was created by some professional or a total beginner, because Canva helps you to create the professional designs, videos and images within few clicks because of its huge library of templates. So at the end, I would recommend that if you want to try the Canva Pro, buy it from our link, because in this way you will help this channel. You don't have to pay anything extra. It is an affiliate link. We will get a small commission.